And it's worth saying one more time, premium handbags without the premium price. That is Verano Hills. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Verano Hills. I had my eyes on their gorgeous handbags forever, so when they reached out to me to collaborate, I was on cloud 9. I would spend time looking at each handbag, reading over the details, and imagining what it would be like to own one of them. So it's so exciting for me that I am showcasing 3 of their best sellers, and I cannot wait to show you because you're gonna love them. And guess what? They are running a promotion right now. It is buy one, get one free. Can you believe that? Like, that never happens, right? And so this is the perfect time to watch this video because I'm gonna go over 3 of the handbags from their website that again are best sellers, so you can check them out. I'm gonna give you an honest review. So if you have been waiting for the perfect moment to purchase, the time is now. Time to get one for yourself, for your sister, for your mother, for your daughter, or your best friend. There are so many reasons why Verano Hill is such an amazing online luxury handbag for less, and let me tell you why. 1, they offer free shipping on all of their orders. 2, they want to make sure that you're happy, so they have free returns. And 3, there is a warranty on your purse to make sure it holds up to their promise. And their promise is that their handbags are made with impeccable craftsmanship, so if there's any problem within that warranty time period, you can reach out to them and they will take care of it. And another thing that I love about Verano Hill that I think you're gonna love too is that each bag comes with its own dust bag. Here is the blue satin dust bag. It looks so luxurious. Their branding is right here. It has a drawstring top. Dust bags are really important because they keep your handbags safe. They keep them free from dust, free from being scratched, and it's just a great add-on to make sure that your handbags are kept nice and safe. It also makes the unboxing experience so luxurious. Imagine unboxing your handbag and this beautiful satin pouch. Such a surprise. Plus it's practical and it makes gift giving so much fun. Here is the Natalie handbag. Isn't this a stunner? It's so beautiful. I love the woven detail on this bag. It's just so elegant and so classy. I had to get this in the chocolate brown color. It has gold hardware and a detachable strap, so it's really great. You have 2 options to just hold it by the strap. Excuse me, you can hold it by the handle or you can hold it by the strap. So I love that it gives you 2 options. The inverted triangle handle is so beautiful. It has a modern touch and it makes this bag so chic. And inside it has this inner pouch and it has their logo branding right here, and it's also a drawstring, and this allows you to keep your contents inside safe and sound. And did I tell you that this bag is available in 8 colors? Honestly, I want one in each of them to go with every outfit I have, but I did choose brown because it's a great neutral. I would have chosen black, but I do have a lot of black handbags, but I love this shade. I love the shape of this purse, and honestly, it is a showstopper. There are so many ways that you can style this purse for casual or for date nights. You really can't go wrong. It definitely creates an elegant aesthetic to your outfit. This Natalie bag is a keeper and it retails for $145. So if you buy one, you're gonna get one free. And I forgot to mention the material used for the Natalie bag is vegan leather. Meet the Vienna handbag. Isn't this bag beautiful, elegant, also whimsical and fun? I love the ball. Right here it acts as a feet, as a really clever fun base for the purse. This dove gray color is just so beautiful. Here's the back side. It also comes with an adjustable strap, so if you are a lady who loves to have their hands free, there you go, here's the strap for you. And yes, the straps are detachable, with these clips right here. This handbag here is made with genuine leather and it just feels so good and so luxurious. The brushed gold hardware is so beautiful, and if you can see my earrings, I love gold, so this is just such a beautiful piece. It has a magnetic clasp, and then inside, surprise, it has like this coin purse that's detachable, and this is so smart to put your cards, your lip balm, your money for safekeeping. I really love the unique, playful, asymmetrical design of this bag. It is so unique. And good news, the Vienna bag is also available in 8 colors, 8 beautiful colors, so it's so hard to choose from. You know, and this bag is sized just right for your essentials, whether it's your cell phone, your sunglasses, a little snack bar. Everything will fit right inside, just the stuff that you need. This bag is perfect for an evening out, or if you're at some nice meeting, it definitely makes a statement. I love this bag, you guys. I know it's one of their best sellers, so definitely take advantage of their buy one, get one free offer. Meet my new friend, the Jeanette handbag. Look at this, you guys. I saw it online and I was like, I have to have it. And when I got it in person, gosh, if you could just only hold this bag. It's structured so well. It is small but mighty. Let me tell you what I mean by mighty. It has quite a lot of room. Do you see that? And then it has a zippered pocket in the back for you to put like your card and your money. And then get this, it has this other little pouch right here where you can slide in your receipts, your valet ticket, so it doesn't get lost. Love it. I love its chic two-tone handle. You've got the black on the interior and then the beautiful brown color wrapped around the front. This bag is also made from vegan leather and it does have adjustable straps as well. So you've got 2 options. You can hold it with your hand, or you can wrap it around your shoulder and be hands-free. There's so many ways you can wear this bag. You can wear it with a white top or denim, or if you want something more elegant, always go with black. And I have this black dress on right now and I think it looks great paired together. So there you have it, the Verano Hill's best sellers. We've got the Natalie, which is modern and elegant, the Vienna handbag, geometric and playful, and the Jeanette bag, small yet mighty. Which one is your favorite? And just to remind you here that each Verano Hills handbag comes with its own gift bag, making it perfect for gift giving and also for safekeeping. Don't forget their buy one get one free promotion going on right now. Combine that with free shipping, free returns, and their product warranty. That is golden. And this statement is worth repeating one more time. Premium handbags without the premium price. That's Verano Hills. Thanks for spending time with me today, and please drop a comment below on which one is your favorite. I am Debbie Savage. It's so nice to have you here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I want slow love, uncomplicated touch, stable as we go, consistent as we grow.